Being in the fresh produce industry, the hospitality sector, people really want to look after people, and it's just nice to be part of an industry that's like that. One of the first things that I started looking at when I joined the business is ways that we could improve our service systematically.
I'd been looking for some sort of system for a long time, but all the ones I'd looked at previously, I couldn't find one that I felt fitted Carol's.
We've been searching for probably in the region of about 10 years. A lot of companies will use a CRM system or an accounts-based system or a production-based system, but nothing that brings all of that together in one.
Looked at a few options and Fresho was a standout.
I've looked at many software packages, over the years, and this one is the one.
Our system before Fresho was long-winded.
Time-consuming.
Very old-fashioned.
Very manual.
Behind the times.
Labour-intensive.
Everything was handwritten, lots of paperwork.
We were processing orders off the phone and via email.
All the orders were written down overnight.
And those orders were then passed downstairs to be picked and packed.
Lots of bits of paper flying all around the warehouse.
It would depend on who wrote the order out as to whose writing you could read.
As we'd grown, we were still stuck with that sort of old process, if you like.
Since the implementation of Fresho, we're now able to encourage our customers to process their orders directly.
We can get customers to place their order via the platform. It takes out any ambiguity between what was ordered when.
Which eradicates lots of phone calls or listening to answer messages and taking down orders.
There's no user error because the customer's placing that order themselves.
With the packing side, that's probably where we're seeing the biggest efficiency.
The packers use tablets, so they pack their orders straight from the inputted order from the customer.
Add to catch weight if it's needed. It's a lot smoother process.
From a transport perspective, we're able to route from the system.
The delivery runs can all be made into order, which is really, really easy and simple.
And that is then in turn turned straight into an invoice without the need for members of staff up in the office to go through that laborious process.
The computerised invoices are outstanding. Everything looks really, really smart when it goes out and everything's correct.
Everything is instant, everything is on the computer. You can look at it night or day.
I'm able to see exactly what's going on at the business in terms of sales, which I check first thing in the morning before I arrive at the office.
It just gives us an accurate, up-to-date run of where we are, day by day, week by week, month by month.
I can see what we've sold, what we're selling tonight, tomorrow, for the rest of the week. So that helps from a stock control purchasing perspective.
I'm able to see margin on product, margin by customer.
That gives us the opportunity to tweak that to fall in line with where the margin needs to be.
I love the simplicity of it, the immediacy of being able to get that snippet of information that we need to make sure that we are making the right margins in the right areas. It's changed the way that we operate, and it's actually become integral to our day-to-day operation.
I don't think any of us could imagine going back to the old system.
I think with Fresho it gives us a chance to actually really push the business forward and take on the future.
We want to be the best at what we do and a better version of what we do, and we believe that Fresho helps us do that.
It's been a great benefit to our business and moved us forward immensely, and it's good, we love it.